motion graphics were generated using Higgsfield AI. From premium logo reveals and animated company metrics to social media ads and UI/UX prototype animations, everything you're seeing was created with AI. So today, I'll show you exactly how you can generate professional motion graphics using Higgsfield AI, even if you've never created motion graphics before. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Higgsfield AI. Then open the official website. Higgsfield offers a variety of tools for generating both videos and images, along with multiple AI models to help you achieve the best possible results. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Vibe Motion. Go to the Videos section in the top left corner and search for Vibe Motion. Open it, and you'll see several ready-to-use templates for creating motion graphics, including infographics, text animations, posters, and presentations. Instead of using a template, let's create something from scratch. Click From Scratch. You'll notice a clean workspace with a prompt box where you can describe the animation you want to create. If needed, you can also upload reference images or videos. There's also a theme option that lets you choose from preset styles or create your own custom theme. Let's start by creating a company logo reveal. Write a prompt describing exactly how you want your logo animation to look. You don't need to copy my prompt, just explain your idea as clearly as possible. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better the generated animation will be. Once you're ready, click Generate. And there it is, our AI-generated logo reveal. It looks pretty impressive. One of the best features of Vibe Motion is that you're not limited to the first result. In the top right corner, click Change Details. Here, you can quickly modify things like the background, logo change, and tagline without generating the entire scene again. Keep in mind that Vibe Motion is currently in beta, which means it's still under active development. Even in its current state, the results are impressive, and we can expect it to become even more powerful with future updates. Now let's create something different. This time, we'll generate a company metrics animation. I've already added the company logo along with a prompt describing the motion graphic I want. Let's generate it and see the result. As you can see, it creates a clean animated metrics scene, and just like before, we can easily make adjustments if needed. Now let's take it a step further. We'll create a motion graphic where the company logo appears first, followed by the company services, and finally ends with a large, bold message saying, "Automate everything." Let's generate it. That turned out really well. Next, let's create a hiring post for Instagram. This is the result generated from our prompt, and it already looks good. But if you spend a little more time refining your prompt and describing exactly what you want, you can generate an even better and more polished animation. Finally, let's create a UI/UX prototype animation. This is where things get really interesting. By describing interactions, camera movement, UI panels, buttons, notifications, and transitions in your prompt, Higgsfield can generate polished product-style motion graphics. The key is to write detailed prompts. The more clearly you describe your idea, the better the AI understands what you're trying to create. Once your scene is ready, you can preview it, make additional edits if needed, and when you're happy with the result, simply click the Export button in the top right corner to download your animation and use it in your own projects. And that's it! You now know how to generate professional motion graphics using AI with Higgsfield. Experiment with different prompts, refine your ideas, and you'll be able to create unique animations for logos, social media, SaaS products, presentations, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.